Welcome to the wonderful world of Waikato Sheds, my friends. We're back. We're talking about how much granny flats cost today on what is a very wet spring day in the Waikato. So you may have seen some of our videos in the past. The government is changing the rules. It can't happen quick enough. Early 2026, allowing for consent-free granny flats to be built up and down this great country, whether it's rural or residential. You're going to be allowed to build up to a 70 square metre minor dwelling, and it doesn't matter what the district plan said in that, as long as you follow a few simple rules. So what I'm going to do is break down today the cost on a couple designs that we've got: a classic 2-bedroom gable and then an upmarket modern 1-bedroom monopitch granny flat. Let's get into it. Let's talk some numbers, what it'll cost on the mortgage, and next steps from here. At Waikato Sheds, as I said, we've designed a couple of different options. We've got the classic gable. Now we can do one of three options for you. We can do a kit set, and that's the full external shell and the internal wall frames. We can build that kit set for you, so that external shell with the internal walls, either on a concrete slab or a timber subfloor. In regards to these pricing, the price is pretty similar, so it's going to be site dependent. Either the timber subfloor or the concrete slab, both of those will be insulated and done up to the building code and the latest H1 insulation requirements. So it's really what works best for you on your site. And then we also have our modern 1-bedroom granny flat as well. Remembering, we call these granny flats, that's what the government said, but these can be rentals, they're minor dwellings, so that's it. We love you, granny, but it's not just for grannies as well. So the cost for the gable granny flat, $74,000 for the kit set. The cost for the monopitch, $89,000 just for the kit set. Now, locked up on a concrete slab or timber subfloor, for the gable, you're looking at $129,000, and that's for the 2-bedroom. For the monopitch, $153,000. So that's great. Now, if you're looking for a full turnkey product, we've spoken to our mate Andy, master builder. So we do this on a lot of our shed houses. We can offer a master build guarantee and work in with it. And so for the full turnkey package, you don't have to worry about anything. We're going to deal with it from the start to the finish. You will be looking at approximately $240,000 for the gable 2-bedroom, and you would be looking at approximately $260,000 completely done for the modern 1-bedroom one. What are you going to get for that? As I said, obviously you've got the external shell. It's the site works. We're going to prepare the site, either lay the concrete slab or put the timber subfloor. It's going to include the building insurance for it, the master build guarantee, all of the labor, all of the plumbing. We've assumed gas, hot water for it, so all the plumbing and the drainage is included. All the electrical is going to be included as well. We're going to run the electrical mains for you. We're going to insulate the whole thing. We're going to do all the plastering of the jib board. Obviously we'll include all the jib board. We'll paint it, doors, door handles, all the fittings for the kitchen and the bathroom, everything done to a high level. So these are from reputable New Zealand suppliers. So we're not going out there and finding the cheapest imported products. These are the jib products. These are reputable stuff that you know is going to last the 50 years and be worthy of your investment. So kitchen from Onset Kitchens. As I said, carpet in the bedrooms and living areas, vinyl in the kitchen, bathroom, dining and hallways. Mirror over the vanity, so a 750 by 1 meter mirror, and 5mm low iron toughened glass behind the cooktop. So we've thought of everything, priced it, as well as an appliance package. So this is coming with it, you know, dishwasher, fridge. All of these oven are included in this package for you. So let's call that $250,000 for it. We're talking for the full granny flat. Now, what does that mean in terms of costs? We've had Ben the broker thoroughly recommend. He's helped out lots of our clients. I spoke to him. Current interest rates, 4.8% over 25 years. If you were to borrow that $250,000, it's going to cost you $330 a week. these will easily rent for $500 a week. Not a financial advisor, don't take my financial advice, just what I'm saying, but $330 a week, whether it's for you or the family. We've been doing this for 20 years. Whether you want a no-bull kit set or you want the Waikato Sheds full build, we can help you out with that. We've done over 1,000 projects. We've got a lot of clients that we can speak to and see to and that. But what is the next step? These rules are coming in place in early 2026. Is first off, for $1,500, we can do your full site plan based on one of these designs with a planning check. So we've got resource consent planner as well as our drafts people. They'll be able to draft up on your site, and we'll be able to check with the current rules what's allowed so that you can go, hey, I know what's going to be allowed on my site, and we can do it. So obviously 70 square meters is the maximum, but you might need to tweak something for 55 square meters. We can price that. If you're looking for a full custom package, $3,000, we'll do the site plan, the planning check, and we'll design your own custom idea for your own granny flat shed house. And that way we can then know exactly what the custom design is and price it accordingly so that you can get either a kit set, the external shell, or the full turnkey package. But that gives you that. So I think we've worked really hard with our drafts people and planners to be able to provide some really economical options to Kiwis, but so you can find out exactly what's going on. But hey, I hope you found that informative so you can see what you're going to be able to do a granny flat for. Let us know in the comments below. Does that seem like good value to you? Have you seen somewhere that you might be able to get a better deal? Let me know with it as well. And just in regards to it, framing, these have all been designed with Access steel framing. I priced it up against timber framing. The Access steel framing is offering the better value, but we can do these in timber framing for you as well. So if that's an option that you're looking for, hey, speak to us and we can look out for you as well with that one. But otherwise, thanks to everyone for watching. Let us know any questions and we're always there and happy to help. And make sure that you check out these videos up here talking about the consent-free rules and then how they could pay for it itself as well. Excellent, have a great day.